Hello everyone, how you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iPhone 11 on the iOS 14.7.1. I installed this firmware on my iPhones yesterday and it's been about 10 to 15 hours that I have been using this device on this firmware, and in this video I'm going to talk about it, that how has been my experience. Should you update your device to this firmware? My name is Jay, you're watching Tech Hype. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. Let's get right into today's video now. Okay, so first of all, then why you should update your device to this firmware. First of all, I want to clear this up. Updating your phone does not downgrade or reduce the battery health. Yes, you may notice sometimes that after updating your device, you are like, whoa, wait a minute. After updating my device, how my battery health went from 100% to 97%, or from 97% to 95% or 94%. Don't worry, it is normal. Battery degradation is normal. It happens on every single device with the lithium ion battery, which is like 99.99% of tech products out there. Everything have lithium ion battery right now, and you do not have to worry about it. Just use your device as you want. Battery degradation is normal. Even if you won't update your device, even if your device will show 100% 24/7 for an year, it does not mean your battery is not degrading. Like, come on, it's just normal and natural process of how battery works. In fact, it's better when you see your battery degrading. How? Because you know that the OS is not making fool. It is showing you the actual percentage, and which does help you in better understanding when you need a replace. When you need to replace your battery, so you know what I'm saying. Then talking about the performance on this update has so far been almost the same as 14.7, as this update was not really huge on my iPhone. Like, this was just like 150 MBs, and on pretty much all of my devices, on neither of my devices it was huge update. Yes, on my iPhone 12 it was about 300 MBs, but at the same time it is, I won't consider that a really big update. So, it's not really packing a lot of things. It is basically a security fix. Whenever we get point 0.1 updates or 0.23, whichever updates that we got after the 14.5, 14.5.1, 14.6.1, or whatever updates we get after, which have like 0.1 in the end, those are just security fix and bug fixes. And you should not really expect getting latest and new features adding on to iOS 14 now, as iOS 15 is just like 2-3 months away. So don't worry, install it and use your device as you want. Lithium ion batteries do degrade, don't worry. I know I get like hundreds of thousands of messages. Whoa, that's exaggerations, but yeah, I get a lot of messages, comments every single day. Please help me. My iPhone 7, 8, 9, whatever. There's no iPhone 9, by the way. So this iPhone battery health is going down after updating and all. Don't worry, it is normal. I got you, fam, alright? If you have any queries related to iOS/iPhones or anything related to like what I make videos about, right? So just feel free to DM me over on Twitter or leave a comment down below. I do answer everyone. Peace out. I will meet you all in the very next episode. And be sure to like the video, as you know, it helps the algorithm to push my video and all, right? Peace out.